Okay, so let's do some anime art. I'm using D&D for the base. This is 879. I don't care what nobody say. D&D got some beautiful base gel colors. Everything I'm going to use in this video, I'm going to link it below so that you can grab it if that's what you're interested in doing. We're doing Jujutsu Kaisen nails, and this is the tattoos that he has on, right? So that's what we're doing. After that, we matte coat and cure. Then I'm going to do my ombre. I do a 45-degree angle and up the nail, and then I do 2 coats. Now that the ombre is done, go ahead and select your stencil, and then we're going to get that on the nail. I like to wiggle a little bit. That way I can leave the other pieces down on my salvage sheet, and I can probably use them for later. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Place it on your nail, and let's get it popping. So we're laying in that black, and it's easy peasy. I'm going to do 2 light coats on the black also, just because I don't want to overspray and flood the whole thing with paint. Remove our stencil, really clean pull, hit it with the base coat and cure that. And then after this cures and I do the opposite nail, I'm also going to add tack-free top coat. Same thing we did in the other nail. We're going to mask off what we don't want to get paint on. Hit it with the black lightly twice, and then go ahead, remove our stencil and base coat it. And after that's done, right, then do our gel top coat. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when I had the full set, right? Remember I said I had a request, a customer request? So this is what those end up looking like. Same technique done here. Base coat, cure, and then top coat. And you see it. So if you have any questions about this, of course, go ahead and ask them below. If not, thanks for watching.